Good morning, children. As I have told you that in the process of photosynthesis, the various experiments or there is a contribution of various scientists by which it is concluded that carbon dioxide and water is used and sunlight and chlorophyll are required, their presence is required, and glucose is formed and oxygen is formed as a byproduct. So first contribution is of Joseph Priestley in 1733 and 1804, and he performed a series of experiments that revealed the essential role of air. Actually, the Priestley has also discovered the oxygen in 1774. Okay, so to reveal the role of the air in the growth of the green plants, what Priestley has done, first of all, he has taken this bell jar and it is been capped and it is airtight. Bell jar is there in which this is a candle, which is a burning candle, and a animal like rat is there or mice. Okay, after some time he has observed that mice and candle, the candle is now no more lightened up and the mice has also died. So this is the first observation he has taken. After that he has kept the mint plant in the same bell jar and he has observed that once the mint plant is been kept, then the rat or the mice and the candle was lightened up and continuously, and this rat was also surviving. So on the basis of this conclusion, what the Priestley has concluded that the green plant actually produces a gas, and that gas which is restored by the green plant is utilized by the animal and the burning candle. It means the oxygen is produced by the green plant, which is used for the process of burning and for the process of breathing and respiration by the living organism. So this is the conclusion of the Priestley hypothesized plants restore the air whatever breathing animals and burning candles remove. जो बर्निंग कैंडल और इस एनिमल ने निकाला वो प्लांट ने यूज़ किया, और व्हाट द प्लांट हैज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड इज़ यूटिलाइज्ड बाय दीज टू, दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज़ रिक्वायर्ड एंड ऑक्सीजन इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड which is restored by the plants. That means carbon dioxide is used by the plants, produced by the animals and burning candle, and plants produced oxygen which is being used by the burning candle and animal. This is the first experiment. All rest experiments are written in continuation in your book, but it was first. Second experiment is about the Egan-Hose, John Egan-Hose. John Egan-Hose has already continued the experiment performed by the Priestley, and he has explained that sunlight is essential in the process of photosynthesis. So he has kept the same bell jar in the dark and in the light, but he observed that it is been kept in the light, then only this all three system has survived. But when it is been kept in the dark, so that the sunlight was not available, so after few days he observed that the burning candle was not lightened up, so that it is seen that the sunlight is necessary in the process of photosynthesis. But he has himself has also performed one more experiment, and in that experiment he has taken one aquatic plant, and in this aquatic plant he has seen that the small bubbles, when it is been kept in the light and ultimately it is been kept in the dark, so he observed that when this aquatic plant in a jar he has taken a water and in which aquatic plant was there, so he observed कि where the bright sunlight, in the bright sunlight where the green part of the plants are there, the small bubbles were observed. But when it was being kept in dark, so no small bubbles were observed. So he has concluded that these bubbles are actually of the oxygen, and he showed that only green part of the plant that could release oxygen in the presence of the sunlight. Okay, so this was the experiment of Egan-Hoss. After that, there is a third experiment, and this third experiment is being performed by the another scientist, that is Julius von Sachs. And Julian von Sachs has proved that the glucose is actually formed in the presence of the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is present in the special bodies which are called as chloroplast. And this experiment we know, yesterday in the previous video also I have explained that chlorophyll is required in the process of photosynthesis. Now it comes the experiment, very important, T.W. Engelmann experiment. T.W. Engelmann has explained, he has taken his experimental organism was Cladophora algae, and what he has done, he has taken this algae in a bell jar in a water, like this is Cladophora is there, and here there is a source of light, and with the help of prism, this one light source is been scattered with the help of this prism, and the various web Goyer is being formed due to the scattering of the light through the prism. So he has observed that and in this jar there was the bacteria also, and this bacteria was aerobic bacteria. So this Cladophora will perform photosynthesis, and oxygen will be produced, which will be used by the aerobic bacteria. So he observed that this bacteria mainly has got collected or aggregated where the blue and red light spectrum was there. Blue and red light spectrum, here only near this spectrum all the bacteria were collected. That means this Cladophora is performing maximum photosynthesis and producing maximum oxygen in the blue and red light region of the spectrum. This all is explained here, and you will underline it as I have underlined. After that, it is coming that in 19th century, it was been discovered by the another scientist, and they have explained that with the help of all other contribution, that here the glucose is formed and it can be represented by the empirical formula CO2 H2O, this is C6H12O6 plus oxygen is produced. Okay, but this cannot be completed without watching the contribution of Caroni, Linnaeus, von Neil in 1897 and 1985. So with the contribution of Van Neil, what is being proved that actually the source of oxygen is a compound which is a water, not the carbon dioxide, number one. And number two, this carbon dioxide get reduced, and for that a hydrogen donor is required. So here the hydrogen donor is also the water. So this water is providing by the photolysis of water, hydrogen and oxygen is formed, oxygen is liberated out, and hydrogen reduce the